Alright guys, coming in, this is what I live. Let's go. Coming in. I love this dog. You know why? Because it's always quiet. My room is one of the most important thing in my life. I need to rest good. So this is where I sleep. Then I spend nearly half a day because to perform good, to be in a good level, you have to rest good. So I'm always rest good. This is my place. Here you can see through. No, I'm not going to show you. No, I will say something bad, but it's not important. I mean, this is the living room. When I watch TV, football games. The second or the third most important, it's the place where I eat, where I have my lunch, when I have my dinners, because most of the times I eat in home. Probably my chefs cook unbelievable for me. This is why I look like that. So this is part to take, relax with the friends, take a drink, relax, tea. And here, it's where Cristiano play football. We have the nets there, is already there. And we create here the Christmas tree, because soon gonna be the Christmas. So I wish everyone Merry Christmas, every good year, and be happy, which is for me is the most important.